Hey guys, Victor from Max here, and today I'll talk about some of our social features in Max. So as many of us can agree on, studying alone can be quite a struggle. But why struggle alone when you can instead study with all of your best friends? Like, studying with accountability partners can create an environment of mutual encouragement. Like, it's a lot harder to procrastinate when the people around you are all locked in and they're grinding on homework and stuff. So luckily, in Max, you could study with your friends and accountability partners. So first, I'll show you guys our focus timer feature. You can use this pomodoro timer feature in Max to lock in for a quick study sprint, and you can also press this button here to share the focus timer with a friend or classmate so that you guys can lock in together, because it's much harder to get distracted or give up early when you know that others are also pushing through the same focused work period. It's like a vibe of solidarity and commitment. So once you've sent over the focus timer to your friend, they'll just tap the link, and as you can see, we now have a synced up focus session for all of your friends on all of their devices. Next, I'll show you guys how to share projects and tasks with each other. So let's say my buddy Alfonso and I are working on a case study presentation together. I can go to this relevant task here and press this button here to share it with Alfonso so that we can both give each other updates about our progress in the project. And this is a really great way to make sure that work is being distributed equitably and also good progress is chugging along so that we could submit the project on time. Now, once Alfonso opens up my invite to the shared task, you'll see that he has equal access and equal permissions, and he's able to add updates to the description as well as add new subtasks and so on. Also, let's say that Alfonso and I are supposed to get together and work and study at the library this afternoon. We're both sort of forgetful, but luckily in Max I can create this study event, add the location and time, and then share all this info with Alfonso. This is pretty useful bookkeeping for forgetful, busy people like us. Anyway, studying and working socially is a lot more fun than just chugging along in isolation, so I hope you'll check out our social features in Max. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tips on how to get the most out of Max.